Oh, Skittles. Skittles, could you move out of the way so we can get Milky Way?
Yeah.
Here's Milky Way. It's time for Milky Way's video now. Yeah, Skittle want to be right in the front. They both love you. All of you. We have some older girls here at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire.
Oh, yeah.
In Bedford. Who these two kitties love. This is Skittles and Milky Way. Milky Way's here with the more of the stripes, and Skittles has kind of spots, and they are 7-month-old sisters. Need to be adopted together. And they're really saying, I'd like out of this cage. Come on, Skittles. This is supposed to be Milky Way's video. There's Milky Way. Yeah, you two are not quite the way you were described. You were described as kind of hiding under beds and being shy. Maybe it was because of the dog in the house, huh? But you like these girls. We've got some teenage girls here. And that's good for them. You know how to be gentle with them. Okay, Milky Way. Adorable kittens.
Did you forget about the car you get on tomorrow? Oh, I was just thinking.
Okay, we're going to say goodbye now. Bye-bye, Milky Way. Now you say goodbye to the girls. Bye, Skittles.
Hi, Skittles.
She comes when called. Bye-bye.